Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use HubSpot workflows. Workflows are powerful automation tools that help you streamline various business processes. They allow you to automate repetitive tasks, saving your team valuable time and increasing overall efficiency. You can use them to nurture leads, onboard new customers, or manage internal operations, ensuring consistent communication and action across your entire organization. To build your first workflow, begin by selecting a workflow type, such as contact-based or company-based, depending on your goal. Next, define the enrollment triggers that will start the workflow, like a form submission or a specific property change. Then, add actions, which are the steps the workflow will take, such as sending an email, creating a task, or updating a contact property. For more advanced automation, explore features like if/then branches. These allow you to create personalized paths for contacts based on specific criteria, ensuring highly relevant interactions. You can also delay actions for precise periods, perhaps 3 days or 1 week, to optimize timing. Furthermore, integrate your workflows with other tools to ensure seamless data flow and expand your automation capabilities significantly. To maximize your workflow effectiveness, always test them thoroughly before activation to catch any errors. Regularly monitor their performance metrics, such as email open rates or task completion, and make adjustments as needed to optimize results. Finally, keep each workflow focused on a single, clear goal. This approach ensures clarity, simplifies management, and makes troubleshooting much easier.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.